This video is a general overview of the customization feature at SightReadingFactory.com. Our customization feature provides you with a very powerful tool to use in customizing the sight reading exercises exactly to your needs or the needs of your students. To access the customization feature, select your instrument, voice type, or ensemble, and then select the Custom button on the Level tab. From there, you will first customize the rhythm attributes by picking the exact rhythms that you would like to include in the sight reading. The rhythms that you pick here will be the only rhythms that will be considered when the music is composed. If a rhythm is not selected, it will not be picked. You can select the overall rhythmic difficulty that you would like. This essentially determines how many fast rhythms you might see in each measure. You can also specify whether you would like syncopated rhythms, ties, or articulations, such as staccatos, slurs, and accents. After you have selected your rhythm attributes, click Next to move on and customize the pitch attributes. Using the range adjusters at the top, you can set a custom range by picking the exact extreme low and high notes that should be used when generating the music. You can pick the maximum leap size that should be considered when the music is composed. In addition to having the option of selecting an overall maximum leap size, you can optionally choose to customize the exact leaps that are allowed in the sight reading. For example, if you would like to only allow leaps that are a descending third from sol to mi, you would select Custom Leap Style and then Add New Leap. In the first field, you'll select the scale degree that you'll be leaping from, 5. In the second field, you'll select the direction of the leap, descending in this case. In the third field, you'll select the scale degree that you'll be leaping to, 3. This means that the only leap that will be allowed will be from scale degree 5 to scale degree 3, descending. Everything else in the music would be stepwise. You can choose to add more custom leaps into the mix if you would like. You can also specify if you would like to include accidentals or dynamics in the music. Finally, you have the option to specify whether or not the sight reading exercises should start on tonic. After you have customized your rhythm and pitch attributes, you can then select your time signature, key signature, and any other options, and then generate music based on your custom settings. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using the customization feature to create custom sight reading exercises.